Isihlobo nabangani baphume ngobuningi ukuzokhumbula uWinnie Khumalo enkonzweni yesikhumbuzo ebibanjelwe eMarket Theatre eGoli. uWinnie waduma kakhulu ngenoni elashisa izikhotha elithi Live My Life.
Nothing will ever be the same again. Ungaforced ukuthi wenze ngathi bathi time heals, ayikho lento leyo. Banganikhohlisi, time does not heal, time makes it better. So you must remember that it's natural for you to cry again in 20 years time the way you were crying today.
Philile impilo yakhe uWinnie, and uNkulunkulu la ekhona amukeleke ezidalweni zakubo, because she was a lovely person, she was a bubbly person. Ube umuntu othanda abantu, ubeyithanda industry ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke.
Kusenjalo inkakha yomculo weKwaito uVictor Bogopane obaziwa ngelika Doc Shebeleza ukhunjulwe njengomuntu obenakekela futhi enothando.
He was just everything. He was fatherly. Absolutely. He looked after us. Absolutely. He took care. I didn't know that he was my son's age. My son was born 1968. I didn't know that. Doc, why did you hide that from me? Anyway, I am very heartbroken, ladies and gentlemen, like all of us here.
Umndeni wakhe uthi ubengubaba oqotho futhi onezimfundiso ezinhle.
Not even once have I taken my phone and I said, Baba, Gusona saw, and he said I couldn't do it. He will always be there through thick and thin. You know, I'm also grateful that I got to travel South Africa with him.
He taught us respect, love one another, and we must always love and cherish each other and take care of our little siblings, which is what we are planning to do.
uWinnie Khumalo kanye noDoc Shebeleza bazofihlwa ngomgqibelo.